Hi there, welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian and today we're going to look at doing some routine maintenance on your HYM 430 SPER lawnmower. The spark plug is located here underneath the spark cap on the left hand side of your valve gear. So, to remove the spark plug cap, pull it gently off the spark plug. Don't yank on it because there's a danger you may damage the HT lead going to the spark plug cap. And we'll just tuck it out of the way there temporarily so that we can see. Okay, so using the spark plug spanner provided, we can place it down and over the spark plug. So turning anti-clockwise, there we go, that's loosened it off. And I'll remove the spark plug most of the way with the spanner, and I'll just do the last couple of turns by hand to remove the spark plug. Now this spark plug is an F7 RTC spark plug, and these are readily available from our parts department. So to replace the spark plug, not using the spanner, just screwing it in by hand, you'll line it up with the hole and screw it in as far as you can by hand. If you use the spanner, this leads to a danger of cross-threading the spark plug, but if you can screw it in by hand, there's no danger of cross-threading. So again, back on with the spark plug spanner, clockwise this time, and tighten the spark plug. If you've got a new spark plug, it does have a compressible ring underneath, and you may need to turn it perhaps 3/4 of a turn once it gets home, but you will feel the resistance when it's tight. So we'll remove the spark plug spanner and replace the spark plug cap back into position, and that's the spark plug changed. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.HYUNDAIPowerProducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and happy gardening.